Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a ghost shrimp pump. First, locate prime ghost shrimp territory, typically sandy or muddy intertidal flats at low tide. Look for small holes or mounds indicating burrows. Next, place the pump's opening firmly over a promising burrow. Ensure a good seal to maximize suction. Then, with a swift, upward motion, pull the handle to draw water and the shrimp into the pump's chamber. Repeat this process until you have your desired bait. For effective pumping, always target areas showing clear signs of ghost shrimp activity, like their distinctive burrow openings. Position the pump's barrel directly over one of these holes, pressing down slightly to create a seal against the substrate. Then, with a smooth, quick pull of the handle, draw water and the shrimp upwards. You might need to repeat this a few times in the same spot to get the shrimp. Be patient and consistent with your technique. Once you've successfully pumped a ghost shrimp, gently invert the pump over a bucket or sieve to release your catch. Handle the shrimp carefully to avoid injuring them, as healthy, lively bait performs best. Immediately transfer your live ghost shrimp into a container filled with fresh, oxygenated seawater. This keeps them vigorous for your fishing trip. Remember to return any undersized or excess shrimp to their habitat unharmed. To ensure your ghost shrimp pump lasts for many seasons, always rinse it thoroughly with fresh water after each use, especially the plunger and seals, to remove sand and salt. Store your pump in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to prevent material degradation. This simple maintenance extends its lifespan significantly. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They make healthy eating effortless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.